Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT lagging and slowness. All right, so let's begin with the video. One of the most common reasons for lag is having a very long conversation or entering large amounts of text. For example, if you open a chat that has grown quite long, you may notice it takes time to load and respond. As conversations get longer, performance can slow down. To fix this, you can ask ChatGPT to summarize everything and create a master prompt. For instance, you can type something like, "Give me all the information from this chat," and create a master prompt so that when I paste it into a new chat, it gives the same results without missing anything. Once you receive that response, you can copy it and paste it into a new chat, which will run much more smoothly. After that, you can delete the old conversation to reduce clutter. Another quick fix is to refresh the page or restart the app, which can clear temporary issues and improve performance instantly. You should also check your internet connection, since a slow or unstable network can delay responses. If you're using ChatGPT in a browser, try switching to a different one, such as moving from Chrome to Microsoft Edge. Clearing your browser cache can also help improve speed. Additionally, avoid sending very large prompts all at once. Breaking them into smaller parts can make responses faster. Finally, make sure your browser or app is updated, as updates often include performance improvements. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix ChatGPT lagging and slowness. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.